The rain is falling down to the tune of Farmer in the Dell. The rain is falling down, splash! The rain is falling down, splash! Pitter patter, pitter patter. The rain is falling down, splash! Duckie's Rainbow by Frances Berry. Duckie walked home through the red poppy field. She was in a hurry. She hopped under the orange bridge and waddled around the yellow cornfield. She hurried past the big green tree and paddled across the cool blue pond. Duckie arrived home and looked up at the indigo sky. The violet clouds floated by, and the rain came down. When the sun came out, she saw a beautiful rainbow. The end.